Hi guys, excuse the croaky voice, but I've got to show you this because it's come out today. It's by Frankie Pellegrino, and I want to show you it because it's a game changer. I'll show you what the funnel is. It's built a buyer's email list without solo ads. It's absolutely brilliant. I've actually used it, and come on guys, CPA offers, that means cost per action, where you can get $1 or $2 or $10 per email collected. So done for you edition. Traffic, so you can put your Facebook pixel on it, reseller rights, and coaching. But if you go inside the funnel, it's brilliant. It's came out today at 2 o'clock English time. And already it just sells itself. So the sales page looks like this. I've actually basically piggybacks the big websites, piggybacks the websites, and you're all going to take pity on me because I've got a really bad voice, and you're going to wait now. I haven't had a chance to put any bonuses on, but if you PM me on Facebook, I'm happy to give you some bonuses. So this is what you can get, what results you can get. There's over-the-shoulder tutorials. Jamie Lewis has tried it. It's so easy to follow. Calvin Cox, Calvin Klein, and me. As I said, it just creates your list on steroids. Anyway, you've got to wait now because the price is going up. The lovely Frankie. Obviously, you've failed miserably before, because that's what he explains. He's tried it all, and so have I. You failed. He's failed. I failed. Technical things, but solo ads are so expensive. On one of the videos, Frankie he buys some traffic from a secret traffic source, and he gets almost 500 leads, not clicks, for less than $200. So I'm 100% behind Leadlock. It's an amazing. How do I stop share? It's an amazing course. You need it too. So excuse the voice, just go and play it because I can buy some more coffee stuff. Click the link in the description. Don't ever buy solo ads again. Save your money, get this instead. Bye guys.